helping my son Jaden Crescendo and his channel, please take a look right up here, click on there, and if you would so kindly please subscribe to his channel, you would make his day. He just needs to get to 1,000 subscribers and he will be totally thrilled. I've been helping him with the channel. He does kid gaming and it has no profanity and it's completely safe for kids and stuff, and it's kind of cool. He enjoys doing it. So anyway, that's why I haven't been making any videos. I have, but they are for Crescendo kids. Okay, so that leads us to this video. Why? A lot of questions on the 4x4. Once you complete the centers, as you can see they're completed here, and the edges are complete as well, but you can't seem to get the first layer completed because the corners won't match up and some of the edge pieces won't match either. And what's the problem? Well, the problem is simple, okay? The centers are in the wrong place. So here we've got white on top, the opposite is yellow, so that's correct. Red, opposite of red is orange, that's correct. Blue, opposite of blue is green, and that's correct. So what's the problem? Why can't we do it? And let me show you what the problem is, right? So you're trying to get this white done, and you see you've got this. You've lined up the blue, the red's lined up, the green's lined up, and the orange is lined up. Oh, wait a minute, is this correct? If this is correct, I'm gonna be very upset. No, it's not correct. Okay, so everything looks good. Okay, let's try the corners now. So the blue, we're gonna line up this corner piece is gonna go here, right? So we'll try it. And then here's another one that lines up with the blue right there. So this has gotta go here. We'll try it. And look, it's not working. Why isn't it working? Lines up with the blue, but it doesn't line up with the orange. So you drive yourself crazy trying to do this. This lines up with the green, so this should go here. But why isn't it working? What a nightmare. So I think I just totally messed that up. So the problem is that your pieces, your centers are messed up. Hold on a second, I'm trying to put this back up here and I'm having a problem. All right, so here we go. There we go. I don't know what I'm doing here. It's hard with this camera in front of me. All right, so we've got the cross back and I've got these corners and I'm still trying to get these up there and I can't. Okay, the problem is if you hold your cube with the yellow centers facing up and the blue centers facing you, what you should have to the right is red. Okay, but we have orange. So let's take another cube to show this. Take a 3x3. If you go to the right of the blue, if you have the yellow facing up, it's supposed to be red. In this case, it's pink, but it represents red. If you go to the left, it's orange. If I go to the left of this one, it's red. So basically, the problem I have here is that my red and orange are on the wrong opposite sides. So I have to swap those. So pretty simple to do that. And you can go about it however you want, but this is the easiest way. So I'm going to go ahead and swap my orange with red, and then everything will be working just fine. So we'll go, and you can do this without messing up your edge pieces, by the way. So I'll just bring up the orange. Perfect. Let's move it out of the way and bring back the red down to the bottom. Now we're going to bring up the other orange, move that out of the way, and bring back down the red. So now you have yellow facing up, blue facing you, red to the side, to the right side, orange over here, and of course opposite of blue's got to be green. So you're all set. Now we can do the daisy, right? And we'll do this quickly because you guys already know how to do the daisy. And now we line them up with the edge pieces, 180 degrees to the bottom. It looks like it's all pretty much set up now. Okay, now we do the corners, and the corners should work out just fine. So we line up the blue, this goes here. Oh wait a minute, that's not even white. There's white. So there's my white corner right there, but it's at the bottom, so I'm gonna have to, I gotta move it out of the bottom. And there's easier ways to do this, but for the sake of this video, we'll just do it this way. So we line up the red here, this goes here, and we've got one more. Where'd it go? Oh, it's all done. Except these corners are messed up. Let's fix this. So this lining up with the green. There it is, green that goes here. Okay, see how the corners are coming together now? And then this is the final one, line it up with its green. That means this white goes here. And now, wait a minute, is it still not working? Orange. Line this up with the orange, that goes there. Okay, it is working. It's just that the corners were all messed up. Okay, so there is layer number 1. It worked now, and it works because all the colors are in the right place. And how do you know? You've got to have that T. See how you got this? Forget this. You've got the T there. That should match up there. There's your T here, and there's your T there, and there's your T there. So you're all set, and you're ready now to solve the next 2 layers in the middle, which you can watch my other videos. Just click up here for the other videos, and you can continue to solve this. So that is the answer, guys. I hope that answers a lot of your questions. I did this video on the fly, and I hope you like it. Tell me if you guys are interested in other videos. I'm going to stop doing the cube stuff because, I mean, I'll still do, I got to do a bunch of 5x5 stuff. I might even do the Mega Minx. I haven't figured that out yet. But I've got a cool idea for a Mandela effect video. I've kind of researched that a lot, so I can kind of do that. And any other videos you guys want, let me know. Thanks guys for watching, and have a great day. See ya later.